This is Modern Refugee. I do a lot of cooking out on my fire pit, and this is the box I keep my firewood in. It's just a repurposed old toolbox that I kind of saved from the junk. Drilled a couple of holes in it to let some air circulate through, and this is what I keep my my firewood in. I'm going to show you here. I split small pieces of straight grain wood so they stay nice and dry, and kind of keep the pieces on the small side so they catch fire quick and they flame up quick and they make a lot of heat right away. So if I want to cook something quick like boil water, and then I got some larger pieces that I can put in there if I'm cooking something on a Dutch oven that's got to cook a little longer. I always keep this full. There's several days worth of wood in here. If I several meals that can be cooked on this wood that's in here. And whenever I use wood out of here, I put it back right away so it can start drying just like what I used. And this is kind of my backup stove. If for whatever reason I can't cook in the house, or I can't cook on my grill or whatnot, I always got this to fall back on. I just kind of wanted to show everybody this. It's always good to have a little firewood around, but it's even better to have a little bit of firewood around that you can cook on. I just wanted to share this with everybody. This is Modern Refugee. You guys have a good night.